Right. Hi. Hello. What is up, you guys? My name is Andrew, and this is my YouTube channel. So before we get started, I just wanted to share that this is actually my first time that I'm talking to myself in front of a camera. Yeah, it's super awkward, super out of my comfort zone and my personality. So yeah, please bear with me. Alright, so on to the good stuff. In this video, I will share with you two main things. Number one, I will introduce myself and share 5 really quick facts about me so that you can get to know me better on a personal level. Number 2, I will share just briefly about what this channel is about and what you can expect from this channel. So yeah, let's get started. But before we get started, let me just share with you what that exciting news that I had before was. And here it comes. Ah! We just hit 30 subscribers on YouTube! Pew 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 pew! Oh man, yes. What an amazing feeling, guys. You guys are the best, you know. Even though it may be a small number, 30 to me is a blessing. And honestly, you know, I'd still be happy even if I had 0 subscribers, you know. But hey, I'm not complaining. Thank you so much, you know, especially the ones that have been with me since the very first day. You guys are incredible. And even my new friends, thank you so much. I really mean that, and I appreciate all the love and support and all the kind words that you write to me. You know, it means so much, so thank you. And I promise that I'm going to continue to stay motivated, continue to stay passionate, and definitely always be hungry for more. Now, on to the good stuff. 5 quick facts about me. Number 1 is, I really love cooking, and I just can't get it out of my head. You know, it's what I think about literally day and night, from the very beginning of the day, since I wake up, all the way until I go to sleep at night. You know, even during working hours, I just love cooking. Enough so that I actually was able to finally join my first culinary school. Woo! You guys could ask me about that in the comments below, but we'll move on. Number 2 is I'm a Korean American. And I'm proud of it. But sadly, I've actually never even been to Korea. Hopefully one day. Number 3, you may have already noticed in my profile, I am a pharmacist. That is my job. I work in a psychiatric center out in Suffolk County, New York. I love it. It's a great job. I'm thankful for it, but I wouldn't describe it as my passion. My passion is here. So. Numero 4. I'm married. Woo! And I'm living with my amazing and beautiful wife named Kathy, aka my primary taste tester. And I'm happy. You could swipe and see some of my pictures. This is from our wedding. Yeah. And last but not least, number 5. I really love dogs. I mean, who doesn't love dogs, right? I love dogs. Spoiler alert. We're getting a dog this year. Yeah! So, now to talk about my YouTube channel. My channel is called YangYummm, which is spelled YangYummm, and that's on purpose. It takes my last name, Yang, Y-A-N-G, and you attach it to Yum, Y-U-M-M-M, which is the sound that you make if you eat something yummy. And then if you just attach it together, it becomes YangYummm, which in Korean translates to flavor. Woo! No? Okay. I thought it was cool, so whatever. This is where I'll be sharing all my delicious and amazing recipes that I work so hard on every week to you guys, once a week at least, and maybe even a bonus one here and there, so keep on the lookout. Okay, so if you do find any of this information / video entertaining and or enjoyable, please do go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, Or if you think I was terrible and this was just a complete waste of your time, please still do smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you did or didn't like so that you could see me improve in this video and every single video that comes after this point, because I will improve, I promise you that. So yeah, thank you all again for your love and support. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!